Hey YouTube, this is me, If you're wondering why I have a ninja mask on, it's because my parents said any videos that I show my face, I have to cover it up. So this is the only thing that I could think of to cover my face up. And this is also a part of my ninja costume. So this is going to be a video on kind of like a how to make, and not really a how to make, but it's really easy to make. And what this thing is. This is my nerf / airsoft riot shield. I haven't done any airsoft boards yet, but I've shot this thing from point blank with a few airsoft guns, and it works. And it just bounces right off. It could probably be used for paintball. I don't play paintball, but it probably could be used for paintball. It works for nerf. It covers up most of the body. If you're wondering how I got this piece, it was from this old sled called a Flyer 48. It broke, so basically I just took a hacksaw to this, just cut that right off, and I just basically tied some rope on. I'm actually supposed to use it left-handed because I shoot with my right hand, but it works for left and right-handed. Except I measured it with the right hand, so it's a little farther away to the left hand. The little handle thing. So basically that's how it is. These were always here, and I just drilled some holes for these ropes. But I like it. It's got these two plastic pieces. That's actually, since this was a sled, but it covers up your heart. So if you're playing like kill shots from Nerf or something, it would be perfect because it covers up heart, and with a quick movement covers up head. And then I make up a few game types in Nerf, like I made up one: head, shoulders, knees, and toes. If you get shot in the head, shoulders, knees, or toes. Well, toes would be whole foot, but I haven't really played it yet, but I'm planning on playing it in my upcoming Nerf war coming up on the 22nd. We might make some videos, so just look for them. But yeah, I do believe that's it. Oh yeah, well, I got a little more time left. This is more of an announcement video. So I was meaning to make a video on this sooner, but I just finished this yesterday. I did a few add-ons to the cart. These were like they're for show. They're actually nails covered in duct tape. They're for show, and they actually have a usefulness. For this bottom part, I drilled holes for another bungee cord to go back. Did that on both sides, and then I took this giant roll thing. Me and my friend were working on this. I need to duct tape this down better, but for like a guard, I duct taped in those nail things. I added on this handle, and I hot glued it down with some duct tape. And that's about what I did on the cart. It still needs a little more work. I would have taken it out for a test drive yesterday, but stink bugs were attacking me since I live in Pennsylvania, and we're having a big stink bug problem right now, and I hate them. So they were attacking me, like they were all over my garage. So I was playing, and I decided that I could take hot glue and coat them with it. But that's all the time I have today, and goodbye.